There was somebody that wanted to buy her, but they were examining her like a car. You know, when someone picks it up and like, no emotion involved, just like, well, how big will it get? Will it change colors? The size change? You want to climb in?
Dory, so cute.
You let it be soaking wet.
Last playtime with your siblings.
Yeah, you go say goodbye. You know, the guy that took the other black and white female, the day after he got it, he says she was really hard. She cried all night. I said, do you understand that she just left her mother and siblings for the first time and she's not even 8 weeks old? When you be crying?
Another dog. She was just by herself.
Yeah. Well, of course she's going to cry. That's
Oh, yeah.
Hello, don't you buddy?
But until you can touch him, you can't get him in the car to go anywhere.
Cancer, so it's good enough.
He's going soon. Not a good guy.
But it's like rolled over onto it.
What are you doing, monkey?
Duke, you're the laziest little guy. You're just gonna sit all the time.
That's about all I can get in him. And you,
You've got that little.
He's so cute.
Hi, Augie. Do you know your name, son?
Augie! Augie! Not yet, but he will.
He kind of does.
Duke knows
He
his
waggles.
name.
Well,
His
that's
Duke,
tail
don't
is
eat
so
that.
cute.
Duke's owners live here. That's
Yeah.
why he's
Oh, it's like
They keep them all.
look at the feet crust. He's got the feet crust.
Oh, he does?
That's like an Aussie thing.
Right there.
Hence the shirt.
Oh yeah, this is actually a picture of my Asher.
That's
that
our
we did
rescue.
That's
That's our rescue
No,
boy.
no, no, no.
the non-profit after him. He was left on a
Look at
property
these
abandoned.
nubs go
for 2
crazy.
weeks.
This
Oh,
is the
when they
Nub
found him.
Club. Yep. Do you think they have like phantom tail itches?